Welcome to TLH Patterns. In today's video, we'll be seeing how to crochet this very easy scarf. This pattern would make an excellent scarf for men. You can also use this pattern to make baby blankets. This scarf is about 7.5 inches wide and I made it 62 inches long. A written pattern is available in my blog, thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. You can find the link in the description box below. You'll need approximately 320 to 350 meters of medium worsted weight or category 4 yarn and a 5 mm crochet hook. Let's begin. First make a slip knot and then work 32 chains. These chains are in multiples of 6 and 2 extra. So 30 plus 2, 32 chains. Let's begin the first row. Skip 6 chains from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now work a double crochet in the 7th chain. Chain 1. Now skip 1 chain before the stitch that we just worked and work a double crochet into the chain before the skipped chain. So you'll have 1 chain in between the 2 double crochets. Now this forms a cross stitch. Then work double crochet into the next 3 chains. Then we'll work a cross stitch. Skip the next 2 chains and work double crochet in the 3rd chain. Then make 1 chain and work a double crochet in the first skipped chain. So you'll have 1 chain between the 2 double crochets. Then double crochet into the next 3 chains. Next will be a cross stitch. So skip 2 chains and work a double crochet in the 3rd chain. Then chain 1, double crochet in the first chain that we skipped. Repeat this across. Then double crochet in the next 3 chains. Finally, you'll work a double crochet in the last chain. Let's begin the second row. Make 3 chains and turn. This counts as the first stitch. Then into the next chain 1 space of the cross stitch, work 3 double crochets. And then you have 3 double crochets. Work a double crochet in the 3rd stitch. Then chain 1 and now work a double crochet in the first stitch. This forms a cross stitch. And now into the chain 1 space of the next cross stitch, work 3 double crochets. And then double crochet in the 3rd double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the first double crochet, forming a cross stitch. Repeat this across. Complete the row by working a double crochet in the last stitch and then 3 chains and turn. We have 3 double crochets. Now work a cross stitch above it. So work double crochet in the third stitch and then chain 1 and double crochet in the first stitch. Then 3 double crochets in the chain 1 space of the next cross stitch. Then double crochet in the third double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the first double crochet, 3 double crochets in the chain 1 space of the next cross stitch. Repeat this across. Complete the row with double crochet in the last stitch. That's it. Repeat rows 2 and 3 as many times as you want. You can use this pattern to make baby blankets also. A return pattern is available in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you.